Do you know, there are some skills that, once you start learning them, you don't feel like stopping? They're so addictive that people keep learning them like an addiction. And the best part, they can change your entire life, career, and income. In today's video, we have 5 such addictive skills, and once you start them, you too will say, "Let me learn just a bit more." 1. Public speaking. Even though it feels scary at first, once you learn to speak in front of people with confidence, that feeling is exactly like an addiction. After every presentation, seeing your own improvement makes you want to learn even more. 2. Copywriting. Changing people's minds with just a few words, selling a product. Once you feel this power, you'll want to write again and again. And nowadays, you can earn good income doing this right from home. 3. Coding. The moment your written code runs and solves a problem, that satisfaction can't be put into words. This is exactly why programmers stay up all night coding, without even realizing where the time went. 4. Video editing. When you turn ordinary footage into a beautiful story, adding effects and transitions, this creative process is so engaging that hours pass by without you even noticing. 5. Investing. Learning. When you start understanding how money works, how the market moves, this knowledge forces you to keep learning more. Because here, learning never ends, and every new thing can change your financial future. So friends, these were the 5 addictive skills that can completely change your life if you learn them. Which one do you want to learn first? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more value-packed videos like this. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.